right, in this video, we're going to be doing an individual integral. It is going to be just a basic u-substitution integral, one which would be found in a Calc 1 class. So we're going to start by letting u be the inside part of that denominator. That denominator is a cosine x raised to the fourth power. The raised to the fourth power is the outside function. The cosine x is the inside function. So I'm going to let u be cosine x. I'm going to take the derivative of both sides, so we'll have a du is equal to a negative sine x dx. I'm going to go ahead and solve all the way down for that dx. So then we'll have a du over a negative sine x is equal to that dx. All right, at that point, then we're going to come down here and we're going to start substituting into our integral here. So I'll have the integral. I'm going to have that sine x remain on top. On the bottom here, I'm going to, since cosine is u, we're going to have a u to the fourth power. And then we're going to go ahead and change that dx for what it equals. We'll have a du over a negative sine x. That's going to allow us to cross out those sine x's. All right, and then the number one thing here, got to remember that that negative sign right there, it's going to make it easier if we bring it out in front. So then we're going to have a negative integral 1 over u to the fourth du. Now we want to make this so that we can integrate this. So we're going to have a negative integral using laws of exponents, a u to the negative 4 du. We now can integrate this. We're going to probably use a square bracket. All right, I'm going to have that negative sign there out in front to clearly indicate what's going to happen here. We're going to add 1 to that negative 4, so we'll have a u to the negative 3. In front, then, we're going to have a negative 1/3. So a negative times negative here is going to be a positive. All right, then we'll have our plus c. So this is going to turn into a positive. All right, I'm going to go ahead and substitute cosine back in for my u. And at the same time, I think I'm going to go ahead and move that back down, make it positive. All right, so then we'll have the positive 1/3, all right, times moving this to the bottom and substituting cosine in. I'm going to have a 1 over a cosine to the third x plus c. All right, and then probably, I mean, there would be nothing wrong with that. I mean, take the dot out, there would be nothing wrong with that. But that right there, if we remember our reciprocal identities, that is going to be a secant cubed. All right, so it might be a little nicer answer if we had a 1/3 secant x cubed and then plus c. So pretty much a straightforward u substitution, but using those trig formulas, and would typically definitely be just found in a Calc 1 class. Thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.